From a customer perspective, what's your definition of a quality solar project?
I've been thinking about that question, and you know what? I have established actually three conditions which have to be met. First of all, the installation itself has to be executed using quality components and built with expertise. The other one would be customer satisfaction comes first, but not only customer satisfaction, but also you as a builder and as an engineer, you have to be satisfied with the work what you are doing. The third point, it has to be durability.
What does durability mean for you?
By durability, I mean that your system is operating flawlessly for the decades.
How's your experience with the Schletter products out there in the field?
Schletter products are really durable. They meet your every expectation what you can have. And they're fast to install.
If you had to sum up the cooperation with Schletter in 3 words, what would they be?
I would say that Schletter is professional in every aspect, basically. Their products are created for long-lasting performance, and they're really delivering the quality products.